Award is hereby awarded to De La Rosa Russell John M. with honor. And also a conduct awarding. Another academic excellence award is hereby awarded to Dikinia Sinat K.A. with honor. And also a conduct awarding. Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Distraho Rogen F. with honor and also a conduct awardee. Next Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Francis Luso Requincel A. with honor and also a conduct awardee. Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Juanillo Venez A. with honor. Also, conduct awardee.
Bakal na tubig, sigwa. Lagay yan.
Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Luis Daniela May A. with honor.
Lagay, kwarta.
And also, conduct awardee.
Mineral.
Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Jessico Ashley F. with honor and also conduct awardee.
Picturean nyo na si Tito mo ba dong? Pasan nyo na lang sa iya.
Another certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Polya Pojan D. Conduct awardee. Another certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to De La Cruz J. A. Conduct awardee.
Ito sa babakal. Sa kantin meron tubig. Sa kantin.
Okay, let's proceed to grade 5 justice. Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Inobia Jonah Grace A. with high honors and also conduct awardee. Another Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Baidor Youth Anthony B. with honors. Another certificate is awarded to Balano Clark Heston S. with honors. Another Academic Excellence is hereby awarded to Basil Rhymes William M. Another Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Polios Wenzel B. Another Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Duyungan Mark Adrian and also a conduct awardee.
hereby awarded to Padua June Prescott D. Another Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Redilia Chad M. Another Academic Excellence is hereby awarded to Arisbado Hina A. Another Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Bantilio Crystal May D. Another Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Bertabal Perlen Joy and also a Kandang Awardee. Another Academic Excellence is hereby awarded to Bolios Rinalen S and also a Kandang Awardee. Another Academic Excellence is hereby awarded to Lim Althea Jane B. Another Academic Excellence is hereby awarded to Lisa Rain Rose M. Another Academic Excellence is hereby awarded to Agayunan Sophia K. Nadine. Another certificate, another Academic Excellence is hereby awarded to Santander Casey Faye G. And also a Conduct Awardee. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Barredo Renan G. Conduct Awardee. Same certificate is awarded to Placencio John Marvick B. Same certificate is hereby awarded to Antonio Robela V. Same certificate is hereby awarded to Aparecio Elijah Jones. Same certificate is hereby awarded to Campos Natalie Nicole. Same certificate is hereby awarded to Pangasian Leslie Shane B. Okay, now let's proceed to grade 5 Julia. Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Pusanan Rose Ann M. for her exemplary and outstanding performance as with high honors during the school year 2025-2026 at Pan Elementary School, Barangay Town, Estancia, Iloilo. Given this during the 56th Recognition Day with the theme Filipino Graduates Prepare to Lead with Competence and Character. This 29th day of March 2026 at Town Elementary School, Barangay Town, Estancia, Iloilo, Philippines. Signed, Lurpashi B. Hisuan, Class Advisor. Signed, Presi H. D. Angel, Principal 1. Rose Ann will also receive a Conduct Awardee. Another Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Vasquez Alia Kim R. with high honors and a Conduct Awardee. Another Academic Excellence Award is and the Conduct awardee.
Dili ba?
Another Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Moral and John Gabriel G. with honors. Another Academic Excellence Award is given to Amistoso Mikhaila Jane B. with honors and a Conduct awardee.
Ay?
May Boy Scouts.